We're in the bath and we're getting clean. After a day of fun, we're dirty. We have got bubbles and water in the tub. Wash ourselves clean with a scrub, scrub, scrub.
First we will get water over you. We'll use a soap, just a small drop will do. Rub in the soap as your bath routine. Rinse yourself off now, you're all clean.
Wash, wash, scrub, scrub, scrub. Rubber ducky in my tub. Bubble soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. We're all clean. We're in the tub and we're getting clean. We will scrub so much we will gleam. I'll use the sponge and then the soap too, and scrub, scrub my face, and I look like new.
First we will get the sponge just like this. Then we add some soap with a squish, squish, squish. Rub, rub, rub till the bubbles show. And scrub, scrub, scrub so all the dirt can go.
Wash, wash, scrub, scrub, scrub. Rubber ducky in my tub. Bubble soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. We're all clean. Wash, wash, scrub, scrub, scrub. Rubber ducky in my tub. Bubble soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. We're all clean. Wash, wash, scrub, scrub, scrub. Rubber ducky in my tub. Bubble soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. We're all clean.
Huffy Mama, Puffy Mama, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Puffy Mama, what do you do? I help you learn, make you laugh, and look after you. Mr. Bus, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mr. Bus, what do you do?
I take people all around, that's what I do.
Mr. Fire Truck, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mr. Fire Truck, what do you do?
Put out fires and rescue things, that's what I do.
Miss Ambulance, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Miss Ambulance, what do you do? I rush to people when there's need, that's what I do. Mr. Tow Truck, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Mr. Tow Truck, what are you doing?
I tow the vehicles that are stuck, that's what I do. Baby train, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby train,
What are you up to? I am hiding from you. Boom! Hello, kids. I'm Huffy Puffy Train. Let's go find some fruits. Oh, what do we have here? An apple. Hop aboard. Oh, what's this? A mango. Hop aboard. Oh, what do we have here? An orange. Hop aboard. Oh, what do we have here? A peach. Hop aboard. What do we have here? A sweet plum. Well, hop aboard. What do we have here? A lime. Hop aboard. And what do we have here? A pear. Hop aboard. What do we have here? A banana. Hop aboard. What do we have here? A pineapple. Hop aboard. Apple, mango, orange, peach, sweet plum, lime, pear, banana, pineapple. Wow, that's great! Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Can I have some candy?
No, no, no.
Can I have some candy, please?
No, no, no.
Yummy, yummy candy.
No, no, no.
Can I get some candy?
No, no, no.
Can I have a soda?
No, no, no.
Can I have a fizzy soda?
No, no, no.
Please, I want a soda.
No, no, no.
Just a little soda.
Let's play the shapes game. What is the shape that you can see? It has 4 equal sides. What shape do you see? Is it a square that I can see? Where is there a square?
Oh, here you see. Shapes, shapes, different shapes. Let's learn about the different shapes.
What is the shape that you can see? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3.
Is it a triangle that I can see?
Where is there a triangle?
Oh, here you see. Shapes, shapes, different shapes. Let's learn about the different shapes.
What is the shape that you can see? Look at this wonderful shape with me.
Is it a heart that I can see?
Where is there a heart?
Over here, look, see? Shapes, shapes, different shapes. Let's learn about the different shapes.
What is the shape that you can see? It has 4 sides. What shape do you see?
Is it a rectangle that I can see?
Where is there a rectangle?
Over here, you see? Shapes, shapes, different shapes. Let's learn about the different shapes.
What is the shape that you can see? It has 5 sides. What shape do you see?
Is it a star that I can see?
Where is there a star?
Over here, you see? Shapes, shapes, different shapes. Let's learn about the different shapes. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town.
The wipes on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go bumpity bump, bumpity bump, bumpity bump. The wheels on the bus go bumpity bump, all through the town.
The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus